My first day of work, I witnessed a family, 4 adults, 1 grandmother, including 1 child. The adults were arrested for drug-related offences and were sent to DRC, leaving the grandmother and only the child. The child was handed over to the next of kin and MSF was informed. Drugs not only affect yourself, but affects the person around you. Yeah, it was a big impact for me on that day. I joined CNB in 2015 doing enforcement work, which also at that time comprised of supervision work. But when I got the call that they are looking for supervision officers, that was when I joined in 2023 again, up to now. Being a supervision officer, there is a personal touch to it. I can allow the person to open up to me and know their story. I feel that I can make a direct difference in people's lives. My mom passed when I was 12. I see a lot of qualities in her that I would wish to follow. We were at Geylang area. There were people asking for money at that time. I know that we are not so well-to-do, we are not financially well off. She still helped the person. And I'm actually privileged to be in this situation where I can help drug supervisees as well. Under Supervision 2.0, community supervision sessions are sessions where we talk to drug supervisees. Sometimes if you are released from DRC, you might still have lingering problems like accommodation, legal issues, financial issues. Holistically, we find out what they need. We'll refer them to relevant agencies if they need any help.
Hi, my name is Satish. I've been supervised by Sir Firdaus for 8 months. I was doing quite well in my life. I had my wife and we actually got a house in Malaysia and all that. So I started to have my own transport company. So at that point of time, actually, when I was celebrating my achievement is when I actually bumped into drugs while partying. My ex-wife decided to just move away with my baby. So I wanted to show them that no, I want to change. I'm coming out of it. I need help. You know, I need to come out of it. I need to do something, and there's no other person I can turn to except for CNB. The day I met Sir Firdaus was like the day I had a big brother. I was taken back. Wow. You know, I never had anybody to sit down and talk like that. I was like, you're actually doing this because you're CNB officer, right? No, you're trying to get information from me, right, in the beginning. And then I realized that he genuinely cared. We talk about family, we talk about work, we talk about life. Best of all is, you know, if I want to fall back, I trust it with my life, it will hold me back and show me what his life is about.
When I first met him, I feel that he is someone who really wants to change. He really needs someone to talk to and open up to. This is a journey that he's taking. I'm offering my hand to walk this journey with you, to be drug-free and get on with your life. I feel proud and honored as well that I'm in the position where I can help. Yours is very uniform, so yours is nice, I feel. Hair testing enables us to detect drug use over a longer period of time. It is as reliable as urine testing for drug detection. Supervisees do not have to report as frequent. They can be reporting once every 3 months or so, which does not disrupt their daily lives. I want to express my heartfelt gratitude for the guidance and support provided by Supervision Officer Firdaus during my supervision term. His warm and caring personality made the process more manageable. He struck the perfect balance between empathy and authority, which motivates me to stay on the right path. I deeply appreciate the effort and understanding he extended to me. It's very touching. At the same time, I'm thinking I'm just doing my job. It was a pleasure being able to guide someone to stay drug-free and to help them manage themselves. I just wish that they realize that there are people who care about them and wants to help them. They know that they have the power to change and to achieve their goals. To see them integrating back in life and to keep drug-free is what keeps me going.